Hey guys, it's your girl Nina, and today I'm going to be showing you two slimes. I'm sorry if it's only a little bit, but comment down below if you guys want me to do a video that you want me to show a lot of other slimes. So yeah, and make that either like 5 or more comments and I will. So, and don't mind like the chair and the table set and the messy room. This is just my sister's room, so just don't mind. So I'm also going to be showing you what I did to make these slimes. So yeah, I have one big slime to show you and one little slime to show you. So we're just going to get started to this, the small one first. Sorry. So yeah, so it's in my, just a container I found around the house. It is a teal color on the top. And I absolutely love this color. So this is the color. So, and it has pink sparkles in it. I'll show you in a minute what it all looks like. And I legit love the poking sound for this. Like, oh my goodness. Like, listen closely. Let me put it here. And they have really good popping noise. Something in it. If you guys hear noise on the background, like noise, someone on the phone, it's my stepmom, and she's just on the phone with someone, so don't mind that. Now, it's super, super, super stretchy. Yeah, and it can get sticky sometimes, but it gets right off. Only sometimes. They like dab it on again, then it gets right off. So, yeah. Comment down below if you guys watch this girl like I do. Her name's Justamira. She is my like favorite slime person. I mean, I know Kenny Garcia, you're like the slime person, but like Justamira is like not only, I don't think she's the best slime maker, but she's like so funny and everything. But she has a brother, and his name is Charlie, and he does a special way of slime poking, and this is how you do it. He puts it in like an oval shape, so, and then he puts 2 fingers, and it goes like this. Yeah, that's what he does. What he does, fun. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing poking slimes. Poking noises. Excuse my language. Poking noises and bubble noises and like swirls and stuff, and then I'll get on to the big one. Okay, so let's do the bubbling noises. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I am in love. I am in love. And no, this is not the same slime that was in my other video of the slime pet peeves that everyone hates. It's not the same slime. The other slime is actually at my other mom's house. And yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do some poking noise. Then I'm gonna do a swirl if I can, because it's like really drippy, so let's see if I can do a swirl. That's the best I could get, guys. This is the best I could get. It's the best I could get. It's really drippy, so sorry about that. Can't really see my face, but you don't need to see my face because it's really ugly. I'm just kidding. Well, my face is still ugly, but you know. Okay, so we're gonna put this back and go on to the big slime. Don't mind the farting noise. Yeah, it's gonna make those noises. Yeah. Don't in there. Okay. Oh, my hand. Alright. So, to make this slime, I used a bottle of Elmer's school glue, food coloring green and blue to make that color, a bowl, a spoon, can't show right now because it's full of stuff, a spoon, and Gabe laundry detergent in here, and sorry, I was talking on the phone, and last but not least, pink glitter. I just thought it would look really cute. So let's get on to the big slime. You guys might not think it's big slime, but yeah, I think it's big slime. I'm going to get it all off the top. Guys, I didn't play with this for like a while. Look how much bubbles is on the top. I'm going to put it right next to it so you can hear it. Ready? Oh my gosh. Doesn't really make a noise, but I wish you guys could like feel how the bubbles were. Like it was really like relaxing and everything. So can't really see me through it because it's not clear. And all this, you know. Make bubbles too. I think I'm gonna put it on the table. Don't mind if it's kind of sticky because I didn't play with it in a little bit. So yeah. Okay, let me see if I can put this up. Might as well just do some music for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna play a game real quick. I'm gonna do a song, like I'm tapping, and you guys have to comment down below, guess what song. Okay? Okay, so comment down below what you think that song was, and then I'll comment and tell you what song that was then. So it's still, oh, there we go, now it's coming out. Oh my goodness, it looks so sticky. There's still a lot left in here that won't come out. Oh yeah, I mixed in a pink Connecticut slime in here too, so it might be a little bit darker pink in it. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Sorry about how sticky it is. I haven't played with it in a while. I'm so in love with the pokey noise. I went back, guys. Hold on. Okay, never mind. I cannot find it. Okay, hold on. Hold up. Don't mind my sweatpants, like they're really comfortable. Don't mind my belly too. Don't mind my sweatpants. Don't mind my shirt. It's really dark outside, like as you can see. Really dark outside. And I told you this is my sister's room, so don't mind like all the little kid stuff. So yeah, and it's like dark outside, I'm ready to go to bed, but I felt like I wanted to make a video because for you guys. So it's a piece of hair, and I'm gonna take that. It went on my forehead. Mean slime. Okay, I got the hair out. So disgusting. Okay. I'm like so obsessed with the poking noise of this slime. I'm impressed. I'm surprised that this slime's actually still good because I didn't play with it in a while. Ready? Listen, guys. Gosh. Oh my gosh, I had to do a pet peeve really quick. This is my biggest pet peeve that I hate. Okay, so people's popping without people doing bubbles, but they don't pop them. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I didn't pop the bubbles. Imagine how good those bubbles would be. Okay, I have to pop them. Yeah, that's my big prime pet peeve. Don't I know? I don't know, but yeah. Hold on, where's that? Don't mind me, I'm just putting nerds in my mouth. Okay. Almost dripped on the floor. I have carpet, so it almost dripped on the floor, and I have carpet. Well, my sister has carpet floor. Look at it. It could have stained there. So I'm gonna add some pink glitter in here. So pink glitter. I'm gonna add some in here. It's so pretty. Okay, I think that's enough. I only have a tiny bit more. This is what it looks like. So I'm obsessed with it. Oh my gosh, it's about to fall. No, I almost covered my glitter. I'm gonna try to put it all around the slime. Yeah, it's not gonna happen, but oh, it's so pretty. I wish I had a slime that looked just like it, like just the glitter. I wish, but you know. Okay, so I'm gonna focus back on me and mix it on my shirt. Why am I getting so much bad luck today? I don't know why. Help me, guys. Okay. So pretty. Oh my goodness gracious. It got on my sweatpants. No. All over this table. Oh, I got it out my sweatpants. Okay. And what I used to make this slime, what I used to make this slime, and the white too, jeez, was half a gallon of glue. White, like, it was technically this, but half a gallon. Red food coloring, but a little tiny bit. Like, I put, like, for this big giant thing, I probably put, like, I don't know, like 7 drops. I don't know, but, and then I put, black for the solution. The other one I put Why am I getting so much slime on my shirt? I found this laying around, and it has a thing, so I'm gonna see if it works for the, like, the tennis racket thing instead of that. Get off of me. Let me see if it works. Alright, I see you, I see you. Hey, that's not bad. I'm gonna show you guys. This is not bad. Of, like, that thing that pop it. I got it on me again. I'll do that again for you guys. Okay. This, I don't even care about the shirt that much anyway, so. Get off. Whatever. Hold on. Ooh. I got a Snapchat, but I can't open it. Don't get on my shirt again. I got a Snapchat, but I can't open it because I'm on you guys, so this is gonna end this. I'm gonna have to start all over. That's not gonna happen, so yeah. I'm gonna try again then when I make this all. Sorry, that was like in your guys' way. Oh my god, I'm such. Oh my gosh, I just. Comment down below if you're obsessed with slime, just like me. You know what, I'm making this into a different color. I'm putting some green in it. I'm putting some blue in it to make some teal. Like, oh my goodness, my red came out. Okay, so I'm gonna put some green in it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I put 4 in it. I put 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in it. And then I'm just gonna mix it around. I feel like I should wear gloves, but I don't feel like getting them, so I'm not gonna deal with it. Oh my god, I see it. I see the food coloring. You better mix it with the slime. Guys, that's so pretty. Look. Just green I see, but it's gonna be teal, okay? I almost got on my shirt. I caught it. Oh. And if this video stops in the middle of me playing with it, I'm sorry. I don't even know how long I could do this for, but yeah. So, you know, I don't care. So it might stop in the middle, be like playing with this slime or something, or in the middle of me talking. I'm sorry, because I have an iPhone 7, so, like, I have an iPhone 7, so, yeah. I don't know, but let's see how long it'll stay for. So I used to have an LG K10. That one didn't go long, so I think it's a difference. It's kind of mixing in. Need it to mix in fast. I feel the kinetic slime. I mean, Connecticut slime, what? Connecticut sand. I'm just gonna put the rest in here. Wasn't that much. Oh, and if you guys are wondering, let's do like a Q&A video one day. Or if I'll do it tonight, I don't know. I might do more than one video tonight. Who knows? Comment down below slime dares, so I can do a video of that. And who knows, someone might comment, put fun in your mouth, black fun. Whoever says it, I'll do it. I don't really care. Yeah, comment down below slime dares, comment down below all other slime videos you want me to do. I'll probably do it slime, because it's slime in Bay. It didn't mix in well, so I'm just going to put like half of the bottle in here. Ooh. Oh, guys. No. I wasted a lot of my green. Oh my god. Almost off the table, almost off the table, almost off the table. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I kind of went flying, but you know what? It went all over the desk. It's getting kind of stickier. I don't wonder why. Mix in, mix, mix, mix. I thought someone was behind me, guys. It's really pretty, look. Guys, look at my hands, and look how much is on the table. Oh my goodness. It came off.